I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop for living on a Bitcoin standard. Sign up and grab gift cards for eSIMs, gaming, e-commerce, your travel needs, food, and much more, and you can buy them all with Bitcoin and Lightning. Sign up today and use code BTC Sessions 10 for some special perks.
So I first sold music for Bitcoin in 2013. And back then it was on a centralized app. You know, your Bitcoin was like on a centralized wallet somewhere, a hot wallet. And then when you sold music, you wanted to get music off, they'd send the crypto over to you, the Bitcoin. And from back then to then 2017, I saw that bag increase. And I was like, this is awesome, right? Not only was I able to get money instantly, well, almost instantly because it was still a centralized app, but at the same time, you know, I was able to keep my purchasing power in the dollar in that aspect, you know? And when it comes to being bullish on Bitcoin, and I see things like Geyser Fund, the crowdfunding, Geyser, the Bitcoin platform, I found that amazing because when I'm in a space, I come in and I pop out and I come back in. I'm usually in before the bull market starts, and then like I'm still lingering around when it's dying down. But then at some stage, we all kind of take a step back, recalibrate, come back in, and we're into another 4-year cycle. And what I'm seeing in the last 4 years, the development wise, to be able to, for content creators to, you know, earn sats, earn Bitcoin for either their artwork, you know, even back then in the day where you had the idea of atomic swaps and micropayments. It's a long gone idea now, and it's the whole space has changed and shifted. But the idea of like the micropayments and the small amounts being sent quickly, like on Lightning, it's phenomenal to see it come into existence. But also now with the awareness around Bitcoin always increasing, like from the lockdowns from prior, and you know, in Canada, what was going on back there, you know, it's major. And so people are starting to see the use cases for Bitcoin, whether it's politically, whether it's just for finance, or even artistically and philosophically. And that's why I'm bullish. You know, that's exactly why I'm bullish, is because I've been waiting around. Like, I'm selling music in 2013. NFTs came around. I got distracted by them. I did my own little NFT thing, but I didn't like that I was doing it on Ethereum. I wanted Bitcoin, because if I'd made a sale on Ethereum, or if I wanted to bridge money back into Bitcoin, which is that store bucket of wealth, I found it really hard, you know, back into an exchange, swap it over, back out. And I want one day to be able to have it all within Bitcoin without having to leave Bitcoin. I don't want a bank account. I just want to get paid in Bitcoin, use BitRefill for vouchers, and live life that way until everyone's using Bitcoin. So yeah, that's my bullish case.